What is a bond? Imagine you're at a fair, you want a balloon, but the balloon guy says, give me $10 now. In 5 years, I'll give you your balloon plus an extra $2. That's a bond. You're lending him money. He promises to pay you back with interest. In real life, governments and companies do this. They need money, so they sell bonds, which are just fancy IOUs. You give them money now, and they promise to pay it back later with extra. Each balloon is different. Some bonds last 1 year, others 30 years. The longer you wait, the more interest you usually get, but also more risk. What if the balloon floats away? That's the risk with bonds. If the person or company you lent to goes broke, you may never get your balloon or your money. Government bonds, usually safer. Startup bonds, riskier but might pay more. It's like choosing between a tiny balloon that's reliable or a giant one that might pop. You can even sell your bond before it's time to cash it in, just like selling a balloon to someone else. But the price might go up or down depending on interest rates and demand. When the bond matures, they give you back your money plus the agreed interest. Simple, right? So next time someone says bonds, think of it like this. You lend money, they give you a balloon that says we'll pay you back later. Just hope it doesn't pop. Bonds aren't just for Wall Street, they're balloon-shaped IOUs with a return. Now that's a breath of financial fresh air.